So 9 to 5 Google posted this today, and it's actually some leaked photos of the new S Pen slash cases for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. And yes, the S Pen looks like it's going to be having different colors to it. So instead of it just being a typical black S Pen, it's going to be improved with different color schemes, which to be honest, I think is a huge W. And second off, it's also different how the S Pen slots into the case. So in the past, obviously, it was like a little pouch on the back. Now it's going to actually have its own little, system on it. Now I wonder if this does, I would say charge the S Pen, but it doesn't need to charge the S Pen. I wonder why they changed it. I mean, don't get me wrong, this does look a little bit cooler, and overall wise, I'm going to guess you probably push up the top and then you just slide it out. Because there is a little raised bump here, so I don't think you can just slide it out like this. But I wonder why they did change it. Okay, I mean, listen, it's interesting. Also, of course, instead of it being like this, where it's just a open area for the camera, now it's actually fitted to each of the cameras. So I'm going to guess that, you have to get this exact case for the brand new Z Fold devices. You can't use old cases. Obviously, the hinge is different too. But, like, moving forward, after this iteration. So, like, if you get a Galaxy Z Fold 6, you probably can't use it on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 case. Because the fact that it is specifically made for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. I'll be honest with you. I don't know how I feel. It looks nice. It's a snap-on case, obviously. And it does look nice overall-wise. I don't really have a problem with it. And obviously, these are just some other images of the, Galaxy Z Fold 5, or Z Flip 5, and the Z Fold 5. Which also looks like it has different color? Is this a new... I can't tell if that's a different color, or if it's just the color balance of the image is off. This is interesting. Okay. Again, we're going to find out all this stuff on the 26th. The 26th is the Samsung Unpacked event. But that hinge definitely looks beautiful. I will give Samsung that the hinge definitely looks like a lot better with the with water drop hinge instead of it being the old hinge. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions of this case. I think it looks nice, but at the same time, I don't know how I feel. Because I am used to this type of case where it's just like a simple, cutout for the cameras like this, and then you have the S Pen on the back. This is also going to probably make it so that, like, when you use this case, right, and you had it flat like this, if you had the S Pen in there, you literally would be like a little, like, it would be like this. It could never lay flat. I wonder if this can lay flat then, because it's actually, indented in the case where the S Pen is. So maybe that's why they did it. Because they want you to be able to lay the phone flat while having the S Pen in the case. That might be the reason why. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.